Hey everyone, this is Workman Firearms coming here. We're going to show you guys how to tear apart a Glock 17. First thing we're going to do is check safe. We're going to take the source of ammunition out, check the barrel, check the mag well, check the barrel, check the mag well. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do a dry fire. We're going to take our hand like this and use our index finger to pull back on the rear sights just a little bit right here. Then we're going to engage. They're on both sides. Pull those down and we're going to slowly let the slide come off. Pull it apart. You have your slide off, you have your frame. From here we're going to take the recoil spring out and the barrel. And now we're down to a perfect field strip. Here we can go from cleaning and other maintenance on the firearm. Now, to put it back together, we just reverse the order. We grab the slide, we put the barrel in, and then it's going to come back and lock in. Make sure you put the recoil spring back in the same way. Start with this side. Now there's two notches on the barrel. You want to make sure you get to the second notch. Everyone always tries to slap it back together really fast. You really want to make sure you line up the rails both sides and slowly pull it back to the rear. We're going to use the slide lock lever right here to lock it back. And now we're going to do a function check. Dry fire, rack it again, dry fire, back together, and it works.